This is numbers 1 through 6 on the study guide. We've been given a set, and so let's look at what we've been given. Our universal set has these numbers. We see set A and set C. Set B is prime numbers, but remember it's contained to what's in the universal set. So it would be advantageous to go ahead and name out what set B contains. It's the prime numbers. Prime numbers have exactly two factors, one in itself. So here we've got 3 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 12 is not because that's 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and so on. 15 is not. 18 is not, 20 is not, 22 is not, 24 is not, and 25 is not because each of those have more than 2 factors. And so here's my set B. What we're going to look for is finding the union of A and C. Union means all the numbers, so every number represented once. So going in numerical order, we have a 3, then a 7, then an 11, 12, 18, 20, 24, and then 25. Intersection means everything that they have in common. So when you look at B and C and we're looking for what they have in common, they both have a 3, they both have a 7, and that's it. So the intersection of B and C would be 3 and 7. If we see parentheses involved, you want to make sure you do the parentheses first. So first we're looking for what A and C have in common. So I'm going to write that just above. A and C have in common not a 3, not 7, not 12. They do have an 18 together. 20 no, but 24 they both do have, and that's it. So that is going to represent this, and we're going to do that with the union of set B. Set B was 3, 7, and 11. So that means we put all these numbers together in numerical order. So that would be a 3, 7, 11, 18, and 24. When you see this apostrophe, it means everything but that. So first thing we're going to do is work on the inside of the parentheses. We're going to find the union of B and C. So if we do the union of B and C, that's going to be everything that they both have. So that would be 3, then 7, 11, 12, 18, 20, and 24. So when we want to do everything but that, you look back at the universal set and you name everything in the universal set except for those numbers. So not 3, not 7, not 11, not 12. I see a 15, not 18, not 20. I see a 22, not 24, and I see a 25. So this would be your final answer on number 4. So let me go ahead and start boxing these so you guys can actually find them a little bit easier. Okay, now when it says B minus C, we start with B, so that would be 3, 7, and 11, and then we subtract off anything that we find in C, so their intersection. I see a 3 in C, I see a 7 in C, and that's it. So what's left is just the element of 11. If we start with C, we have 3, 7, 12, 18, 20, and 24. Now we're going to look at B and mark out everything they have in common. B had a 3, B had a 7, and that's it. So what's left is the set of 12, 18, 20, and 24 for this particular problem.